For weeks, people across Jamaica have been cleaning up the mess left behind by Hurricane Melissa. The storm ripped through the island nation, killing dozens of people back in October. It pulled down homes, electricity, and communication services, too. A Twin Cities restaurant owner jumped into action. Here's a look at his progress helping the place he calls home.
Well, since Hurricane Melissa devastated parts of Jamaica, people thousands of miles away here in the Twin Cities have been doing their part to try to make an impact. We are checking back in right now with Tomme Beevas of Pimento Jamaican Kitchen. We know you've had relief efforts underway through your foundation. Since we talked to you last, how have people in the community come through? We've had Give to the Max Day, you've had a benefit concert. What's the outcome here?
Oh, the outcome has been amazing.
More shoes. More shoes.
What's happening is people are stepping up to support, and then what we've been able to do with our partners in the Twin Cities is to be able to send pallets of food and items back to Jamaica already. So people are already receiving it, but the work doesn't stop here.
And you're not just making sure that supplies can reach Jamaica. You've got family, too, that felt this firsthand. You had a relative that you couldn't locate initially when we talked to you, but you've had a promising update here.
Yes, so Uncle Bobby, who's my amazing uncle, he is in the heart of where the hurricane ravaged, and so it took us weeks to hear from him.
Oh, look at him! Wow,
A breath of fresh air. Like, I knew that he was safe because I have faith, and at the same time, just not being able to make that connection was really hard. He's lost everything. His entire house is flattened, but my family's compound in Beeston Spring, that has been flattened. My family home in White House, Westmoreland, flattened. So it's been, this one has been a personal one for me. But to hear my uncle's voice, to see his face, to see his smiling big white teeth, that really gave us that sigh of relief that we all needed, because we're holding our collective breath for all of Jamaica.
And now you can call him, you can check on him, you can know he's okay. And some of those partners here in the community that are making an impact include Waylon Richards here. Tell me the organization you're with.
I am with the Organization for Strategic Development in Jamaica.
And the most need right now, they need people in specialized areas.
The healthcare side, they are in need of internists and psychologists. And when they told me that, it never dawned on me that, oh, there is a lot of trauma that goes with this, not just the loss of physical things, but the emotional trauma. So they're asking for psychologists to come and help with those cases as well.
All right, thank you so much, Waylon. Thank you so much, Tomme. I'll go ahead and send it back to the studio.
And as you heard from Tomme, he says this hurricane was very personal. In addition to his uncle losing everything, Tomme's family's compound was flattened, as well as a family home in another community. If you'd like to help out, you can donate to Pimento Relief Services. Just visit the Pimento Jamaican Kitchen website. Click on the Community tab to learn more.